Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI tool platform, which is Taskade and Craft AI. So let's start a quick review about these two platforms to help you decide which these two is the best for you in 2025. So Taskade is a flexible, all-in-one collaboration platform designed for teams who want to streamline their workflow. It lets you combine tasks, notes, goals, and timelines in a unified space. Perfect for project planning and team collaboration. With real-time collaboration, flexible review option, and a lightweight UI, Taskday is a great match if you need a tool that brings your team together and help you stay organized and productive. So talking about Craft, on the other hand, focus mainly on creating rich, well-structured document and note. It lets you piece together content with blog, text, image, checklist, and more to produce documents that looks published and clear. Craft is perfect for individual or small teams who want a beautiful, flexible way to organize their knowledge and collaborate on document. So if you need a collaborative workspace for managing tasks and goals, Taskday is a strong contender, but if you want a stylish, block-based notes tracker taker, Craft might be your best match in 2025. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this two-year platform. Thanks.